Have you ever felt like the weight of the world is crushing you? Like no matter how hard you try, life keeps knocking you down? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that resonates with every one of us at some point in our lives. What to do when life breaks you. We've all been there. Those moments when it feels like everything is falling apart, when the challenges seem insurmountable, and when hope seems just out of reach. But here's the question. What do you do when life breaks you? How do you pick up the pieces and rebuild? These are the questions we're going to explore today. Now let's get into the heart of the matter. Life has a way of testing our limits, doesn't it? It throws curveballs when we least expect them. Sometimes it's a sudden loss, a failure, a heartbreak, or a series of setbacks that leave us feeling shattered. But what if I told you that these moments, as painful as they are, can be the catalysts for our greatest growth? Think about the phoenix, a mythical bird that rises from its own ashes, more powerful and radiant than before. We too have the power to rise from our challenges, to transform our pain into strength, and to become more resilient. Here's a story to illustrate this point. Assume a young athlete, passionate and dedicated, dreaming of winning a championship. They train tirelessly, pushing their body and mind to the limits. Then, one day, an injury shatters their dreams. The pain is not just physical, but emotional, a crushing blow to their spirit. At this moment, they have two choices: succumb to the despair or find a way to rise above it. They choose the latter. With grit and determination, they start the grueling process of rehabilitation. It's not easy. There are setbacks, doubts, and moments of weakness, but with each step, they grow stronger, not just in body, but in spirit. Eventually, they return to the sport they love, but this time, they bring with them a newfound resilience, a deeper appreciation for their journey, and a story of triumph over adversity. Life's challenges, no matter how difficult, offer us a similar choice. We can let them break us, or we can use them as stepping stones to a stronger, more resilient version of ourselves. It's not about avoiding pain or pretending it doesn't exist. It's about acknowledging it, facing it head-on, and finding a way to move forward despite it. Ernest Hemingway says, "The world breaks everyone, and afterward, some are strong at the broken places." Jean de la Bruyere says, "Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Out of difficulties grow miracles." So, my friends, when life breaks you, remember that it's not the end of your story. It's a chapter that can lead to your greatest comeback. Embrace the pain, learn from it, and let it forge you into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient person. Don't wait for the storm to pass. Learn to dance in the rain. Your journey is far from over, and the best chapters are yet to be written. Stand tall, face your challenges, and rise from the ashes with a renewed sense of purpose and determination.